Hello student, today we are going to discuss about breeding of brinjal. So first point is introduction of brinjal. Botanical name of brinjal Solanum melangina and it belongs to family Solanaceae. Genus of brinjal is Solanum and its species Solanum melangina. Its chromosome number is 2n equal to 24. Brinjal has been cultivated in India for last 40 years, 4000 years. It is commonly known as eggplant. Then second point is origin and distribution. According to Decandol, Asia, native of Asia. According to Babylov, the eggplant originated in the Indo-Burma region, distributed Bangladesh, Pakistan, China, Philippines, etc. It is also popular in Egypt, France, Italy, and United States and several African countries of distribution. So next point is importance of brinjal. Important popular vegetable crop. It is popular vegetable crop. Then immature immature tender fruit are mainly used for cooked vegetables. The fruit are used for making pickles. The nutritive value of brinjal high vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B. Use of use in the preparation of Ayurvedic medicine. Medicinal properties of brinjal, diabetic patient, liver complaint, etc. Then next point is botany of brinjal. Brinjal is an annual herbaceous plant. Inflorescence is the often solitary but sometimes cluster of two to five flowers. Solitary or clustering nature of inflorescence is varietal characters. Flower is complete hermaphrodite. Then second type of part of flower of brinjal. So four part of flower of brinjal. So first is androecium, gynoecium, calyx, and corolla. You can see androecium part is anther plus filament is equal to androecium. Stigma, style, and ovary is also known as sepals. Corolla is five lobes, gamopetalous with margin of lobe. There are five stamens which are free and inserted at the throat of corolla. Anther are cone-shaped, free and with the apical dehiscence. Ovary is hypogynous, bicarpellary, syncorpus, and with basal placentation. Then next, in the brinjal heterostyle is common features. Four type of styled depend on length. First, long style, big ovary. You can see first pick A, long style, big ovary. Then second is medium style, medium ovary. Then third is pseudo style, rudimentary ovary. Rudimentary ovary is also false ovary. Then fourth is true short style. Very rudimentary. Fruit setting is long style. Flower normally varies from 70 to 85% fruit setting. Long style. Medium style flower fruit set 12 to 55%. Then the non-fruit setting flower consists of short style flower in which androecium is fertile but stigma is smaller with the underdeveloped papillae. You can see long style flower. Then fruit. Bone fruit is cylindric and fleshy. Color purple, black, light green, yellowish. Different size of fruit and different color of fruit, different shape of size of fruit, etc. Then floral biology. Anthis and anther dehans. फूल की फ्लावर ओपन होने की क्रिया, देन एंथर के ओपन होने की क्रिया क्या है फ्लोरल बायोलॉजी में. फ्लावर जनरली इमर्ज 40 to 45 days after transplanting, mainly in morning. Full bloom in observed 80 days after planting. The whole period of effective flowering lasts for 75 days. Anthis is brinjal flower normally started 5 to 35 am, continuous up to 7 to 35 am with peak of 6 am. August September usually between 9:30 to 11:15 am. During winter December to January. जो एंथिस का प्रक्रिया है वो जनरली जो नॉर्मली होता है वो 5 से 7 के बीच में हो जाता है. वही अगस्त सितंबर में शाम मॉर्निंग में 6 o'clock से लेके 7 o'clock तक कंप्लीट हो जाता है. यूजुअली दिसंबर एंड जनवरी में ये एंथिस एंड डिहेंस की प्रोसेस जो होता है वो 9:30 से 11:30 तक एम तक ये प्रोसेस हो पाता है कम्प्लीटली. वेयर इज द पॉलन डिहेंस बिगनिंग 30 minutes आफ्टर एंथिस. जो पॉलन ग्रेन होता है वो डिहेंस होता है 30 मिनट पहले एंथिस के. commence at 6 am and continues up to 8 am with the maximum at the 6:35 am. Anther dehans usually 15 to 20 minutes after flower bud had opened. 15 से 20 मिनट के लिए डिहेंस होता है एंथर. जो उसमें एंथर डिहेंस क्या है, जो लंबाई में स्टेमिन जो होता है वो फटने की, उससे एंथर पॉलन ग्रेन जो होते हैं वो निकलते हैं और वो स्टिग्मा पर जाकर वो क्लोज हो जाता है. तो डिहेंस क्रिया कंप्लीट हो जाती है इस प्रोसेस से. देन इमोस्कुलेशन. रिमूवल ऑफ मेल ऑर्गन फ्रॉम द फ्लावर इज नॉन एज इमोस्कुलेशन. एंथर्स को रिमूव कर देना इमोस्कुलेशन कहलाता है. शार्प पॉइंटेड, ये किसकी हेल्प से कर सकते हैं हम, इसके लिए ब्रीडर किट की आवश्यकता होती है. इसको कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होते हैं जैसे फॉरशिप, कैमल ब्रेस, पेट्रिडिस, सीजर, etc. and then split open the anther and remove them. Then next process is pollination. pollination usually हम सेल्फ pollination होता है और क्रॉस pollination होता है. ब्रिंजल में 29% जो रिपोर्ट हाई क्लासिफाइड ऑफन क्रॉस पॉलिनेटेड है. फैकल्टेटिव क्रॉस पॉलिनेटर जो होता है, इसमें इंसेक्ट जो पॉलिनेशन होता है, एयर पॉलिनेशन भी होता है. देन इंसेक्ट पॉलिनेशन, हनी, बी, बटरफ्लाई, मोथ, etc. Then next point is breeding objective. brinjal. Yielding, earliness, fruit shape, size, color, as per consumers' performance, soft flesh, lower solanine content, upright plant free for from lodging, etc. Resistant to bacterial built blight, little leaf, root, root knot nematode, fruit and fruit borer. The next point is breeding method for improved improve this crop. So first method pure line selection, pedigree method, bulk method, modified pedigree, single seed descent, also known as single seed descent, combination of bulk and pedigree method, back crossing, heterosis breeding, etc. Seed production of brinjal. So what is the isolation distance of seed production? A breeder seed production and foundation seed production 200 meter. Then certified seed production 100 meter is sufficient for the hybrid seed production. Then different type of varieties of brinjal developed by IRI, Pusa purple, Pusa purple long, Pusa purple cluster, Pusa Kranti, Pusa hybrid 6, etc. Then I, I Arka Navneet developed from IIHR Bangalore, Pant Smart developed from GBPUAT Pantnagar, Punjab Barsati PH4 developed from PAU Ludhiana, COBH2 2002 developed from TNU Coimbatore. It is hybrid between EP65 Pusa Uttam, fruit are medium size, slightly oblong and glossy violet in the color. Then next Krishna developed from MPKB Rahuri. Krishna is Fuji hybrid developed by MPKB Rahuri for western Maharashtra. It is suitable for resistant to lodging variety. Then Pragati developed from MPKB Rahuri. It is developed by selection method cross Basalian Manjari Gota released in 1900. It is suitable for resistant to lodging. Time duration is 180 to 190 days. Average yield production is 350 quintal per hectare. Thank you.